This artificial lake holds an immense amount of water, enough to provide a navigable channel across the Isthmus of Panama and to supply the canal locks with the needed water volume to operate. Ships crossing the Panama Canal go through several stages, each with unique mechanisms and equipment. A common sight in port landscapes is tugboats maneuvering ships. While these boats look small next to massive container ships, they are powerful enough to move the world's largest vessels. It's all about control. With skilled tugmasters on duty, they push, pull, and steer the vessel into position, making sure she lines up perfectly before entering the locks.